Hey girl, I just got back from North Carolina and I came home to all of this PR and I wanted to unbox it with you. Just playing. This is stuff that I got during Black Friday and I just wanted to show you what I got. First things first, this is a part of my birthday outfit. Cute. Very nice quality. Yeah, this is the only part of my birthday outfit that I have, so fun. My birthday is in like 2 weeks, by the way. Some curtain rods because I'm finally putting up curtains in my living room. Girl, anyway, I hope this is my foundation. Like, who runs out of foundation? I've really been out here doing makeup. This is not my foundation. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Huda Beauty. I got this for $23. Where was y'all at? This is the only foundation I can honestly say that I love. My shade is brown sugar. I have a neutral undertone. I don't think this is neutral, but I still like how it looks. She's sleek and clean. Yes. Oh, these are just some shells. I'm sorry, I thought this would be a little cooler. Oh. This is kind of cool. Okay, for those of you that didn't know, Ulta had an in-app sale going on with NYX. Tongue twister, say that 5 times fast. I really have been wanting to try this. On sale, I think this was like $6 and this was like $5 or like $5, $4, something. But these were on sale, so I went ahead and got them. A mini matte finish spray. My cart was 20 cents away from free shipping. Cute. And this was like $1.75. So that's why I got that. I will be doing my makeup just okay. Next, got some Morphe. I think this was on sale for like, it was under $10 for sure. Hella thick, or is it? No, because I'm black. Oh yeah, hella thick. Hella thick. My favorite mascara ever. I love the brush. It's really the brush. She's cute. I think this was like $12. It was cheap because usually it's like $20. Got some more tights from Target, of course. I already had these on sale for $5. Normally they're $9. Next, this is the real star of the show. I'm not gonna hold you. I love a good statement trouser. She's cute. She's cute. She's a darling. She's chic. Get into the detail. These are cheap. I don't even want to talk about how much I paid for these. They're definitely, the quality is not up to par for the price that I paid. Cute. I did get them on sale though. This is how much they usually are. Didn't pay that, I'll tell you that, but definitely still shouldn't have paid what I paid. I'm a little salty about that, actually. I don't think I can return those. Got to be more careful. No business. I'm disgusted. Curtains. I'll probably put these up tomorrow. I feel like this is gonna take my living room to the next level. Been here for over a year and I still haven't finished decorating yet. Decorating is expensive. Sorry, not sorry. I wasn't supposed to open this. Ah, this is a surprise. This was one of the things that I asked my mom for Christmas. This will be my first Lego set. I don't know if I chose the wrong one. 108 pieces for your first Lego set? Okay. But yeah, girl, that was it. No regrets besides these. Only regret everything else. You know, it is what it is. Spend that shit. Can't take it with you. Bye.